We've all thought about a new start, a fresh start. How can we move forward in a fresh, vibrant way? Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome to your spiritual home. On our channel, we talk about spiritual lifestyle, everyday rituals, ancestors, and African spirituality. And if you're interested in any of those topics, stick around. I want to shout out all my people from Buenos Aires. Woo! Welcome. So, we've got lots of people from all around the world who are on our channel, and so I love to shout you all out. And today, we've all thought about a new start, a fresh start. How can we move forward in a fresh, vibrant way? So today, we're going to go through a ritual, a floor sweep, that you can make for your home, even if you have carpeting, for bringing in prosperity, abundance, breaking negativity, and opening your roads, and definitely bringing in lots of money. So let's get started. So, we all have times where we're like, oh my gosh, things are kind of like stagnant or slow, or going into a new year, going into a new season. And so doing fresh start work or new beginnings work is fantastic. And I think that a lot of times people just don't really do that. They just keep saying, oh, I need a change, I need a change, I need a change. Well, if you need a change, do this, right? If you need a change, do this. So we're going to go through today a ritual that you can use as a floor sweep, as a crossroad throw, wink, wink, for all my people who are really into spirituality. But if you have carpeting, you can use this work, a ritual, in your home where you still sweep, because some people have low pile carpet or rugs. But you can also use this in areas of your home that does not have carpeting, in addition to at your front door. Now, that was a sweet thing. You can do this at your front door. So today, let's go through the ingredients. Very, very simple. This working is for people who are deep in spirituality, just starting out, kind of doing a drive-by, or just wanting to try something to start some kind of ritual in your life. And I have to say that if you watch my rituals video, that will help you to get some ideas about basic things that everyone can do, no matter what your practice, your outlook, where you live, age, or anything else. This work is using natural products that comes from nature and that naturally bring abundance, protection, and goodness. So let's get started. So when we think about having a fresh start, right? We could have a fresh start in a new apartment, a new relationship, a new something. And so even for the new year or for your birthday, great time to do fresh start work. And so today we're going to do a floor sweep, but you can also use this to put in, sweet thing, ding, 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 ding. You can use this also to put in a mojo bag for yourself. So this is a fresh start candle. Talks about new beginnings, has a prayer, courage, movement. Moving forward, right? New beginnings, courage, and moving forward. And so if you see here, open doors, beautiful, clear skies. So the first thing we're going to add is growing corn. And these are things that we also sell here at Yeyeo Botanica. So I'm just going to put some in just so that you can start to see what that looks like. You can put as much as you want. For the sake of the video, I'm not putting too much because I want you to really get to see this very closely. Then we have mixed beans. So I first want to talk a little bit about the growing corn. Well, it's growing. We put it in the ground to grow, right? We put it for prosperity, abundance. Corn is something that's very hardy, that almost anyone can grow in almost any soil, provided that it's warm enough, moist enough, and has enough space, because corn likes to spread out. And that's how you want your prosperity to be. You want it to spread out. You want it to grow in any season, no matter what's going on, right? So again, doing things like this is really, really good. This is all natural, right? There's nothing strange here. People eat corn, they grow corn, we use cornmeal, all of these different things. So now we've got some mixed beans. In here we have all different kinds of beans. There's maybe about a minimum of 6 different beans in here, right? We've got some things that we call, in Jamaica they call them pigeon peas, right? We've got black-eyed peas. We've got, I think these are Roman beans. We've got pink beans, kidney beans. We're already up to 4 of them. We've got lima beans, fava beans. We've got garbanzo beans, and one of our favorites for new beginnings are black-eyed peas, right? We've also got some split peas in here, lentils, and so on. So we're going to put that inside. And so for all of you who have been supporting us all these years and getting our New Year's kit, you all know about how beans are used and so important in that work, how it really opens up good things for all of us. So we've got our beans that we're putting in. And so once you have this is your base, right? You can add whatever you want. Some people like to spray some Florida water on it. In this case, I'm using sandalwood. And I'm going to spray some sandalwood cologne on here. You can do tobacco as well if you like. You can put whatever you feel drawn to. There's so many things that you can use in here. I'm going to pray over it, mixing it up. Boy, does that look good now that it's all moist. It even smells good. So you use this as a floor sweep. You use it in mojo bags, amulets. It could be, like I said before, it could be a street throw. And for those of you who are really into my work, you'll understand what I mean about that. And I just want to share with you also, we have this one, which is Lucky Blessings. So you can put these two together. You can put your Fresh Start to burn around this to really charge this working, right? You can either use your Fresh Start or you can use your Lucky Blessings. Again, remember I said that this work is for new beginnings, new year, new season, new job, new love, new home, and so on and so forth. So you choose which one you feel suits your purposes. And as I said before, this is something that you can use as a floor sweep. How do you floor sweep? You can do in a circle in your home, front door all the way around back to the front door, especially for this type of work. Some people will do back to front. That's usually for cleansing out something. If you'd like me to do a video on that, just definitely comment below. And if you got anything out of this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. And so our last thing at the end, that is for people who are more advanced, if you're still with me, is hyssop, right? So you can sprinkle hyssop inside of this, mix it together, and use that as an amplification. People who are very strong with church and our religious doctrine, reading the Bible, and so on, hyssop, as you know, is one of the master herbs that are used in the Bible. It also is used with the 23rd Psalm, and so on. So hyssop is definitely your sweet thing for this video, and for my people who are a little bit more advanced or really wanting to do something that strengthens this work. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? That beep definitely underscores this. So good luck. You can make as much as you want, use as much as you want. It'll last until next year or throughout your year. And good luck to you, and let me know how you do with your prosperity new fresh start mix for floor sweep and other uses. So family, if you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. YouTube wants to know that you enjoyed the video and that you got something out of the content, and so would we. So I think that doing this work can be hugely helpful. I've done it, and I love to share with you the things that I've done that have been very successful in bringing prosperity, breakthrough, money, fresh start, new beginnings. And I hope that you got something out of it. Share it with others, and see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.